Hey, welcome back to Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. We're going to be doing a flower pot vase, a water vase, a really beautiful one right here. We can call this Grandma's Flowers. All right, let's actually call this one Grandma's Flowers because we're not going to make this one too abstraction. We're just going to make this traditional, beautiful, layers on top of layers. I love doing paintings like this, especially when we're using our Liquitex. All right, Liquitex is very good acrylic. It dries fast, but it also has a good body to it without too much body. All right, so it adds layers on top of each other. It's matte colors. It's not glossed. It's just a beautiful thing. You know, I used to frown upon paint like that when I was in my gallery days, and oh, everything has to be golden paint and all that. No, they just like to make money on people who don't have enough paint knowledge and just pumping out the paintings, you know? So that's what we do. We have a higher profit margin here because of our supply list and how we have everything broken down. All of that stuff is for you, so you don't have a guessing game. All the supplies list is for you inside of the eBay coaching program that you could click on below. Join us every Sunday for our mastermind meetings. You can learn how to do this for yourself. All the supply list, everything, copy, paste, templates, PDFs. Let's do this. This is going to be so much fun. And you can do whatever you want to do as well. You know, you could just have fun with this. We always have fun with this. I have fun, just painting with you. And I'm always excited to come into the studio and see what we're going to get it down into. All right. So this is our painting right here. Boom, our flower. And you could use any reference that you want. That's the beautiful part. I don't want you to think too hard about what reference do I use? How do I generate it? Generate anything you want, but then you could just use the proportions to make your own style out of it. It doesn't have to be the exact same thing of what we're going to populate. It could be anything. It could be the Eiffel Tower. It could be the Great Wall of China. It could be anything that you want, and it could be the actual picture of it or anything on Pinterest. Just make it in your own style. Make it like a child. Be a child again. Have fun. Don't think to yourself, just because we're selling it and we're going to make money off of it, that it has to be something that the galleries told me it has to be beautiful. No, no, no. Who cares about the galleries? That's why we're doing this. Those galleries are dead. Those galleries wish they were us. You know why they wish they were us? Because they have to pay overhead to keep their lights on, to keep the bills, and then they have to pretend that they're still being successful, that people still come in there and buy that expensive artwork. They have to charge more money on that artwork that's so basic and that nobody wants anymore. They have to charge more art pricing for that just so they can pay their light bills. Then they also have other artists that they represent. They're like a talent agency where they have different actors who work for them. That's what artists are who work for galleries, is that you're basically an actor where you have an agency who's representing you, and you can't go to any other agency, and you must be represented by them, and they have to get you out there. You can't get your own self out there. Those days are over with. We are an independent client. We are free range to do what we want. We flip the profit, we flip the margins. And this is a great time for you to join in on this program, because there used to be a time over the past 3 years where China was a big program on eBay where they would be eating our lunch. They would be sending so much stuff out here and nobody was stopping them. So now with the tariffs, China doesn't have too much of an infliction. That's the word I was trying to say, on our business. So now it's the great time. I don't know how long it's going to last, but now is a great time for us to actually start making money in art again, where the artwork of original artists. So it's just the best time. All right, let's do this. And you know what? It's a little bit wet right now, but why it's a little bit wet, let me just go in and do our shadow work. Right? Just some quick shadow work. And then that's it. Now let me just dry it off, and then we can have the fun part. I always think the fun part is the sketching with the black paint. And boom, there we go right there. So now let's do our sketching. This is the part that I always love. This is so much fun. The reason that I love this is because this is where everything builds off of. This is our original layer. It's the black. And when I started out, what I used to do is I used to actually take a Charcoal and try to do my drawings. But This way, when you do it, it just adds so much of the layer underneath of it. It's like you're building on top of it. This is how you make your colors pop more, believe it or not. It's the black body underneath, but then also when we're done with the painting, then we use the contrast for the white. It works hand in hand. It's the zing and the zang. But you definitely need this to make the colors pop. It won't pop without it because you need a base to build it on. But don't listen to me. I'm over here talking like this is art class. I always say, this is not art class. This is business class. We talk business around here. How you can do this for yourself. eBay system doesn't recognize the talent, who you are. They recognize the item number, that it's a sell similar, and that you showed up to work. Then they're going to reward you. But they're going to reward you on different metrics. You know, it's just not as simple as you do the painting, even though that's a big part of it. They don't know if you're a degenerate. I always say that because that's just the best way to think about it. They don't know if you're a scammer. There's too many weirdos on Instagram, or I'm in Instagram. See, you got me thinking about those old dying platforms. There's too many scammers and there's too many people like that used to be on eBay, but I don't have that experience. I never had a problem with scammers. In all the years that I've done eBay, I've never had a problem with a scammer or somebody who's trying to get off on me or anything like that. And the reason why is because I've done good business. And I hear, okay, now when I first started off, I had this happen to me one time, I'll tell you this. Someone reached out to me and you know, as soon as I started, but there's eBay so good nowadays, especially with their algorithm and how they protect everybody. But when I started off, there was somebody who reached out to me and was like, I love your artwork. I see that you're selling it for this price. I'll buy it from you for that price and $1 more. And I'm thinking, wow, they actually want to buy my buy it now item for $1,000 or so, whatever it was. It was something like expensive. I thought I was going to get a full price. But then they're like, okay, but in order for me to buy it from you, contact me at this phone number. I'm like, red flag right there. I'm not contacting anybody's phone number. And then the scam is something more like, okay, if you give the phone number or something, they're going to say, hey, I paid you through PayPal. And they're going to have like a copy of some invoice from PayPal that they Xeroxed or something stupid. And then they're going to have like a fake PayPal email address, like they paid you this money. And they're going to say, did you get it? I paid it to you. Can you send it to me? That's how scams worked 7 years ago. I don't know if it's like that now. I'm just saying those are usually the traditional ways of how they scam. Don't fall into that. Do not give any personal information online, especially when it comes through eBay. eBay will also punish you if you try to go outside of eBay and do business. So don't do it. It's not worth it. It looks frowned upon. You just got a new account. Why would you want to do that? Don't put yourself through that situation. Then it's going to be hard to like get out of it. So just don't. If anybody wants to do business with you, then obviously they're just going to buy your artwork through eBay. Tell them to go through eBay, or don't even reply at all if somebody's talking about, let me get your phone number. No. We're not going through that. But other than that, I've never had any issues when it comes to scammers or anything like that. No issues whatsoever. Nothing to worry about. But to go back to what I was saying, see, I jump around. They don't know if you're someone where you could be a scammer of sorts, where you could be getting money from somebody, right? Like, let's just say they give you a sale, but you haven't proven yourself, and they give you a sale of somebody, and then you don't ship their item, or you take their money and You don't give them what the item is, or you go ghost or something like that. They don't know that because you don't have a history of proven record. You have to prove yourself. And then when you prove yourself more and more, they give you more and more of those sales. That's why I always talk about you need to put stress on your account. Starting off, put stress on your account. Build your account up. Put stress on your account. Put stress on your account as early as you can, so that way eBay can know that you're willing to handle that volume. They know that you can handle that stress level. If they know that you can handle that stress level, then they're going to give you the volume of customers for that stress level of the next one. But they need to, it goes in a wave of, you have to create the art. You create it in volume. You sell the art, okay? Like they're testing you each way. Then when you sell the art, okay, two-day handling time. You ship the art, okay? You package it. Postal person picks it up, they scan it, okay? Then it gets delivered, okay? But we don't know what you actually delivered. You could be delivering them a box of rocks for all we know. They don't know that. So then they have to see, okay, does the customer give you a positive feedback? Then once you have that, then you're good to go, because then they know, all right, the customer had a positive experience with you, and you didn't ship them a box of rocks. You didn't take their money and then ship them something that wasn't supposed to be there. It was the actual product. Then what eBay does is they'll send you more customers. See, some people miss all these steps. They think it's just as easy as I create the artwork, I sell it, and give me the money. No, the reason that it takes a while, at least the first month, to really, if you're doing it correctly, to build up your snowball effect, is because you have to go through these processes of them knowing that you're not a degenerate. It has to get delivered. You have to get positive feedback. And I have all of these things broken down of how you could get positive feedback from the get-go as soon as they receive it. You can get it as early as possible. And I have it broken down where you can get it automatic, so you don't have to think about it and you don't have to stress yourself on the positive feedback. It's automatic in there for you. There's no guessing games. There's no, how do I do this? And any questions that you do have, there's over 1,000 people in the community who will be able to assist you. There's so many people who's already winning now, who's already gone through all the growing pains and the stress levels. Right? Beautiful. Grandma's flowers, I tell you. All right, let's turn the lights on and see where we're at with this. Now you see how the black, it adds to the background, right? Like it just adds that pop. It's that background where it gives us that body, right? Beautiful. I love these because I could just keep building the layers on top of it and it looks so good. But there is no right or wrong. If I can do this, you can do this. I'm not doing anything special that you can't do. I don't know how to do flowers. I don't know how to do art. When I show up and pretend that I know how to do art, and God takes care of the rest. He's like, all right, I can respect that. At least that you're showing up. So let me throw you a bone. Let me throw you a bone, and you're showing up. Everybody else scared to show up, but at least you are. I mean, here, the least I could do is give you some sales. It's so easy to be successful nowadays with anything in life because most people are conditioned to be scared to take risks. They're scared to do life. They want everything to be safe and secure and not feel uncomfortable. So it's so easy to succeed nowadays. The only thing you got to do is just show up. Look at this. We showed up and this is what we produced. Huh? Look at that. So much fun. Isn't that beautiful? Grandma's flowers. Like if I can do this, you can easily do this as well. And if you want to learn how you can do this online, how you can flip this into easy profits just in a quick amount of time, you've seen how we could do this. You could do so many of these in one day. That's why I do these videos, just to show you how quick that we're able to flip these profits and play the lottery ticket effect. If you want to learn more about that, join us this Sunday for the Q&A mastermind meeting, and I'm going to see you in there. Just click the link below.